Are you confused between DSLRs, point and shoot cameras and mirrorless cameras? Then this video is for you, where I will compare them and you can find out which one can suit you. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sulika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today we are going to compare point and shoot cameras to DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. It's the first time I'm going to talk about mirrorless cameras in my video. They say it's the future of photography. So let's see where point and shoot photography lies in this zone. Let's get started. DSLRs and mirrorless cameras have bigger sensor sizes that come with larger pixels that can capture more data points and more light. So the level of noise in my images is less and I can tinker with shutter speeds and ISO settings freely. One of the main selling points of mirrorless cameras over DSLRs are its portability and light body weight. Now, point and shoot cameras are even more compact and travel friendly, so you can keep them with you all the time, so your chances of missing the moment are less. Also, if you have backache and more health issues, then point and shoot cameras and mirrorless cameras can be better for you. DSLRs have a wider selection of lenses to choose from. Mirrorless cameras are gaining popularity and their lens variation is catching up. Point and shoot cameras have a fixed lens, so there is no question of me changing lenses there. This may lack diversity as I am constrained with only one lens, but it can be an advantage too, as I can use the same lens for landscapes, macro, birds, people all at the same time. I don't have to keep changing lenses and carry extra lenses. Point and shoot cameras are cheaper than DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, with mirrorless cameras being most expensive. Some point and shoot cameras may cost less than 1/10 of a lens of a mirrorless camera. Yes, they are expensive. Mirrorless cameras continue to fall short in terms of battery life, meaning I cannot shoot for a long period of time on the field. DSLRs may last me for a few hours without any problem, and most point and shoot cameras can last me the whole day without any replacement, provided the batteries are fully charged and recommended by the manufacturer. Both mirrorless and DSLRs have exceptional image quality. The point and shoot camera's image quality may lack in low light situations, but in broad daylight in a well lit scene, it can be very good. Only high-end point and shoot and DSLRs can help me shoot in 4K, that is Ultra HD. Even the low-end mirrorless cameras can give me very good video quality. The reflex mirror in the DSLR gives me a view of the scene through the optical viewfinder. In most point and shoot cameras, I have to stare at the LCD screen in order to capture the shot. Only few models, high-end ones, may give me an electronic viewfinder. In mirrorless cameras, by design, there is no mirror to show me what I am clicking in the viewfinder. We use an electronic viewfinder in mirrorless cameras too. DSLR and mirrorless cameras allow me to fully control my settings manually. Where only high-end point-and-shoot cameras may allow me to do that, and there also the scope may be limited. For example, in my Nikon Coolpix P500, I can only control the ISO and not the shutter speed and aperture. The simplest point-and-shoot cameras have a very limited number of options in their menu controls, so it becomes very easy to operate. The settings are not very complicated. DSLRs and mirrorless cameras allow me to control all my settings manually the way I want them to be. That is why the menu options require a lot of study and experimentation, so they are more suitable for the advanced photographer. So guys, as a conclusion, if you want more options in terms of usage, then mirrorless cameras may work for you. But point-and-shoot cameras may work if you are looking for something simple and budget-friendly. DSLRs may work if you want something in the middle. If you like this video guys and found it to be useful, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you prefer, point-and-shoot, mirrorless or DSLR cameras. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous comparison. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.